Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike ni-subscribe bafowethu. As much as izinto zishintshile ku-Kaizer Chiefs ba-improvile noma i-improvile from last season, but khona izinto kumele balungise bona behind closed doors ukuthi i-team ikwazi ukuphumelela. Ngizoqala ngoMorris bafowethu. Ngizokhuluma ngoMorris, noCastillo, noMartin, noMatlow, noDupreez, noVuma, noMashiane, noNtwari. Yiwo ama-play engizokhuluma ngawo. But ngizoqala nge-story sakaMorris because I dig deep ngaze ngathola ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngoMorris ukuthi ahlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But bekunama-offer amanye ama-teams amfuna uMorris. So uMorris ufunwa iDurban City, can't remember enye i-team ebeyimfuna or ngeloni. I-Kaizer Chiefs iyafuna ukumdedela uMorris ukuthi ahambe, but-ke after i-meeting uMorris nabaphathi be-Kaizer Chiefs or management badecide ukuthi bayamgcina uMorris. Why? Because of uMorris ubathembisa ukuthi noma ubatshela ukuthi ufuna ukulwela ispace sakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uyachaza ngakhona ekugcineni-ke baba ne-common ground ukuthi hayi sokugcina mfowethu, angeke uyishiye i-team uzohlala. But ukuhlala on one basis uzoyisiza ngani i-team? I-track record lakhe lithini? uMorris already ngoJune uthe nje aqeda ukufika ku-Kaizer Chiefs already ufike phela January, but-ke ngoJune before even lapho ngaboma-May already bese sekuthiwa kumele bamlone, kumele ahambe, but i-Kaizer Chiefs were not decisive ukwenza lokho. So ngizophinde ngibuye la, but asingene kuma-player one by one. uCastillo ubona ukuthi i-decision making ye-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu inokuba poor. uCastillo bamsayinisa i-contract i-renewal, I think bam-offera 2 years renewal, only for bona ukuthi ekugcineni bamrelease makuphela isizini. Wahamba kanjalo uCastillo, abakhiphanga lutho about uCastillo, ayikho into abayishilo. The reason bangakhiphanga information ukuthi uCastillo uyishilo i-Kaizer Chiefs is because of uCastillo akahambanga kahle ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kusmayelwa ukuthi kube ne-agreement e-right. The move was forced in a way. Why? Because of Castillo bekane-deal worth ama-millions and he was not willing ukuthi avele cancel i-contract yakhe. Kaizer Chiefs, they had to pay him ukuthi ba-cancel i-contract, meaning ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs they lost ama-couple of millions ngo-Castillo ngoba bona ekugcineni bese bafuna ukukhansela i-contract kaCastillo ukuthi bayiseklile angithi i-contract yakhona. Then uCastillo ne-management yakhe they demanded yonke imali yale 2-year contract le abayirenewile. Yusuf Maart, captain e-Kaizer Chiefs, ungena ku-last 6 months of i-deal yakhe abakayi-renew i-contract yakhe, abana-sure ngayo ukuthi uzohlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs or uzohamba. Naye mekhuluma ne-media Yusuf Maart at that time uthi akekho sure ukuthi uzoyaphi, but la azoyakhona kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ozomfuna khona. So i-Kaizer Chiefs slow iyadeleya ukuthi ithathe i-decision ukuthi yamkhipha or ayimkhiphi, yamgcina or ayimgcini, because of oSkhukhu United bebekhona benyonyoba bethi bayamfuna umfana ngithi. And then all of a sudden sezwa kuthiwa i-Kaizer Chiefs i-renew i-contract yakhe, but only for i-Chiefs ukuthi imthengise fast, meaning that i-Kaizer Chiefs ayiluzanga lutho, igayinile something okuncane. Asazi ukuthi i-deal was finalized or beyi-based on ukuthi uyahamba, uhamba nini. Maybe i-Kaizer Chiefs akumelanga bamnika ama-signing on fees, zonke lezo zinto lezo bamthengisa ngemali encane, zange bamthengisa like ngemali izumbulu zamarandi, yabona bafethu. Siyeni kuGeorge Matlow, bebangekho sure ukuthi uGeorge Matlow uyahlala or uyahamba. To our surprise sabona ekugcineni uGeorge Matlow bamsayinisa i-renewal ku-Kaizer Chiefs ehlala. Naye same thing. After i-meeting, by the way, makuphela isizini ama-player ayahlala ne-management, bheka ukuthi udlale kanjani, wenze kanjani, uyayideserve i-contract, awuyideserve i-contract. Bafika kanjani ekutheni lese amanye ama-player kumele ahambe, amanye ama-player kumele ahlale, cause khona i-decision making nawe ibona ukuthi they've been poor, like based on what terms or abanye abantu abahlalayo. uMatlow ama-performances wakhe even namanje siyabona ukuthi okay akenzanga lutho mfethu, hayi ukuthi ngiyam-attack, akenzanga lutho ngoba ngibonile ne-message kuthiwa uMatlow nebhadi akenzanga lutho but abantu bayam-attack. But in terms of i-contribution yakhe, ucontribute-ani ethimini? So uma ungambheka usho ukuthi bheka basayina ama-players agudi. That is why ama-players amanye angakatholi ama-opportunities kufana nabo-Cheslet. uMotlow usedlalile, udlale i-game against i-AS Simba, uCheslet akakadlali. But uMatlow uzobathatha babekephi bona as i-Kaizer Chiefs? Labantu bane-squad bafethisa ama-players awu-39. In fact awu-41 to 39 mangizo-add-a nalabafana baku-DDC team, ubani uNaleli Hlongwane, ngi-add-e noNkwesa noThulani Touch Mabaso. So would sit off mangizoba-add, I think between 39 to 40 ama-players akhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. A-registered ama-player for sure this season ayi-40. So yabona ukuthi bane-squad esingakanani. I mean I mean i-squad sama-players awu-30 something singaba enough because of kumele ujabulisa ama-player wonke asethimini ukuthi abantu create i-competition. Khona ama-player angeke adlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs and khona ama-player lesi azodlala 2 games isizini yonke. So lowo muntu lowo bazombekaphi ngempela? uDu Plessis ba-renew i-contract yakhe, ngike ngakhuluma ngayo a few days back, ba-renew i-contract yakhe on what basis? Ukuthi uzoyisiza i-team because of uDu Plessis waskema okay, allegedly, thi ngithi allegedly ngingaze ngiboshwe. Nayo-ke lento abayenzayo ama-agent ukuthi ama-team ayazi ama-team maybe sometimes they don't even do their research bavele bathathe into on face value. I-management kaDu Plessis ikhiphe iy'ndaba ukuthi uDu Plessis bamfuna overseas. Amanga lawo. Basebenzisa basebenzisa i-media. Hayi bafethu iy'kemu e-South Africa. Basebenzisa i-media, one of the biggest media platforms in South Africa ukuthi bakhiphe le ndaba le. And then ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazi ukudecide ukuthi uDu Plessis bayamdedela. Kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs imnika i-contract, i-renew i-contract yakhe 2 years based on ukuthi uDu Plessis angahamba overseas. So bafuna bamnika i-contract ukuthi hayi mayingeza le team leya overseas seyizomsayina ngemali laphana ku-Chiefs. Yabo? Seyizomsayina ngemali. Only to find out ukuthi ayikho i-team emfunayo uDu Plessis yaphesheya. Eqinisweni ayikho i-team emfunayo. Mase sokuyiwa straight ayikho i-team eyeza yapropose i-offer ngoDu Plessis. I-agency kaDu Plessis yaskema abantu, yaskema i-Chiefs. Ukuthi uDu Plessis athole i-contract entsha and then athole i-signing on fee yalawo ma-million lawo, maybe 2 million or so estimation, but it's over $1 million imali ayitholile makasayina futhi a-renew i-contract yakhe. Uvuma manje we sitting at uvuma i-contract yakhe izophela makuphela i-season or the following one ngaphela 2026. Angazi kune-clause ya 2027 or kanjani, but i-contract yavuma izophela. Already bekunama-rumors ukuthi bafuna ukumnika edela i-2-year contract because of laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Bafuna ukugcina abafana laphana abakhulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs or ku-DDC team ye-Kaizer Chiefs. But usi-improve kanjani i-squad if like uzogcina nabantu ababonayo ukuthi okay they are talented but-ke bayathuka makumele badlale egrawundini banama-mistake amaningi. Then uHappy Mashiane, siyeke isitori saka-Happy Mashiane for 2 to 3 years. Happy Mashiane bekuloku 2 uyahamba Kaizer Chiefs bayamlona, azange bamlona. Why? Cause nayo-ke into ephumile. Azange batravele nayo ke-Netherlands bayabonisa ukuthi abasamfuna ethimini, but-ke mebabuye e-Netherlands ujima ne-team because of ucelele laphana ethimini ukuthi yena ucela ukuhlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kubonakala ngathi bayamvumela ukuthi ahlale, but last day of i-transfer market bamlona to Iswelele FC. Meaning that i-Chiefs isitori saka-Happy Mashane for 3 years, 2 years, whatever, efuna kubona kuthiwa uyahamba ku-Chiefs, uya kuma-teams ose-Cape Town, whatever, egcineni angahambi. Abekho decisive ukuthi okay usibani siyamfuna usisiza lana la. I-player kumele bali-evaluate kahle babone ukuthi okay what is this one's contribution ethimini nanokuthi uyisiza kanjani i-team. Bangabhenefitha kanjani, babhenefithe kanjani. Khona abantu abangabhenefit just ukuthi iqiniso ukuthi ama-fans ayawathanda ama-player and isikhathi esiningi athanda ama-player anganiki i-Kaizer Chiefs lutho. Thola ukuthi mawumbheka umuntu like una-6 years, una-5 years, una-4 years ku-Chiefs, mawubheka into ayenzile for i-team or izinto azenzile as a professional, lo muntu lo bamholela over 200,000 by the way, but mawubheka into ayenzile or ayidilivile for i-team ayikho. One of the players abahola kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs uNtwari bamsayina around close to 5 million or around 5 million ku-TS Galaxy, ongadlalanga for almost unyaka. Naye bekumele ahambe ayishiye i-Kaizer Chiefs because bekubonakala ukuthi i-future yakhe ayisekho ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but guess what, uNtwari usasekhona ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Babe nenkinga, usekaze udila ne-injury-ke manje which is worse. Uzohlala-ke manje isikhathi laphana ku-Chiefs ngoba ayikho i-team ezomsayina, meaning that i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele iloke nje imkhokhele. Une-contract-ke I think kusele 1 year, 2 years lapho wasayina 3-year contract or so, or 2.5 or 3 years. Kwakuyi-big signing, I remember. Uma ubabheka ama-player amaningi, khona ama-player abangawadingi but kahleli based on uthando nanokuthi banobudlelwane ne-management. Then abahlalanga based on ukuthi basize i-team, banama-goal, banama-assist or bayalwa laphana egrawundini. That is why isikhathi esiningi uma ngikhuluma ngalezi zinto ngenza i-example ngomthetho bafethu ukuthi uMthetho might not be the most talented player ku-Kaizer Chiefs but he's fighting for i-team, uyalwa. Cishe afane noPeterson uMthetho. uPeterson wayedina uPeterson ukuthi usebhentshini, wayedina ngokuthi usebhentshini but ku-vocal. But-ke mawuloku umlandelela umbona, pay more attention, uyabona ukuthi u-passionate about i-team, uyafuna ukuwina noma ehleli ebhentshini uyakwazi ukuba vocal and then asize i-team ukuthi iphushe. I-Kaizer Chiefs idinga abantu that bravado persona ukuthi bakwazi ukusiza i-team. Ayidingi abantu abaku-Kaizer Chiefs just for the sake of ku-Kaizer Chiefs and then ama-fans azobathanda, ba-associated ne-biggest brand in the country, no. Badinga ama-warrior, abantu abazolwa balwele i-team. Badinga abantu abazoba ama-hard work, cause baningi abantu ekuthiwa ba-talented but-ke abakaze bayenzela lutho i-team. So bahleli laphana ethimini based on ini. They need hard workers. Makuphela isizini kuhlala nawe phansi kuthiwa wena wenze kanje, uyenzeleni i-team 1 2 3 1 2 3 and then wena awuyenzelanga lutho, uyabona ukuthi uzibeka kuphi and then uyahamba based on lokho bayakwazi ukukudedela uhambe. Hhayi ukuthi bakuhlalisa ngoba mayise bayakuzwela but bayazi ukuthi ngeke udlale. I mean, ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi uhambe ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uyodlalela ama-team amancane. Ngihlezi ngisho lento, ngizoyisho abantu baze bayizwe kahle. Ibuhlungu lento le ukuthi unama-facilities a-world class, ujimela endaweni e-worth ama-millions and millions, i-village. E-South Africa bayingakho abantu abane-village? Abekho. I-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela enalento le enayo laphana ebhilidile laphana e-Naturena. So ukusuka ku-Kaizer Chiefs lesi esosayinwa Nkosi yami ilokhu njani, i-team encane ejimele egrawundini nyana nje, igrawundi lakhona bayanibona nabantu noma bedlulela ngey'moto la eduze, bangangena, uyabona i-professional level ayikho that much. Ubheke lesiya ama-team okay, ithi ngingawasho ama-team Nkosi yami abantu bazothi ngiyawa-attack, but yeah, it's very difficult. But-ke you have to work hard to earn your space ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Some of the players don't work hard, they expect to be given izinto nje based on ukuthi bona angazi based on ukuthi bangani ne-management e-Kaizer Chiefs, which is sporting director se-Kaizer Chiefs. What they've done, they've created a relationship like ukuthi wonke ama-player ayakwazi ukukhuluma ne-sporting director in a way, ufana nomngani wabo because of uhlezi khona laphana e-Naturena ekhuluma nabo, eba-motivator and he leads with i-kindness. UKaizer Motaung June, he leads with the kindness, so it's easy for them, wonke ama-player laphana ethimini, ukuthi bamjwayele nanokuthi bayi-interact naye. So ayikho lento lokuthi i-boss is untouchable, no. But at the same time lokho kwenza ukuthi ama-players, abanye ama-player mawuba right abakwazi uku-separate between the two, ba-treat-a nje ezinto eyodwa ukuthi la sizitholele la, yikho-ke lento le. So baya-relax abafethu abanye. So that's what we have seen kwabanye ama-player ukuthi baya-relax, bayazi ukuthi hhayi bra yami laphana ku-management uKaizer Motaung Junior, so siphuza sonke or senzani, ngenza example, benzani bonke. So I mean, some players don't work hard but they really have to work hard, and abanye they won't even work hard because sebajwayele. I mean, uhlala isikhathi eside, izinto ziyazenzakalela whether you playing or you're not playing, so there's no motivation yokuthi upush. Ngicela ukuyibamba lana okwamanje. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.